I'm not even gonna bother at this point explaining this. I just built Carl Sagan's model of what he believed would be a transdimensional portal. So it's a polytope, a sphere, so a four sphere, a four tetrahedron, and a four cube. That's all he did was bury that in there. He also had a tetrahedron just because it looked cool. But the real fun is this. So it's magnetically stable right now. It won't be. Not for long. There's all kinds of flashing and bullshit going on. This is like adding a pulsar. So I was done screwing around with, just using that sun source over there. We're just gonna just pretend we just got hit by a gamma ray burst. I'm modeling what the universe really looks like to a quantum, realm. But yeah, that sounds fucking nuts. So I'm just gonna let it speak for itself. So it's magnetically stable. That wasn't easy to do. It's also kind of electrically stable if you think about it, since magnets can't exist without current flow. So it's electromagnetically stable. I don't know if I'm getting the same Doppler effect that I was getting earlier. I really don't want to know what's in there. So let's see. So whatever's going to be going on as far as fluctuation goes is going to be going on in here. Yeah, the camera's rolling out now. Doesn't that look fucking nuts? So I've embedded a force sphere because it's capable of refracting the light, and that's what's actually fucking up everything. It's sending the light out at different pulses because this thing is pulsing back and forth. So the actual projection of the refraction that it's sending in all directions is what's creating that. And the camera picks up on it because it senses the difference in the light. So it's dilating its pupil. In the universe and out the universe, right? Okay, well, in focus, out of focus. Yeah, that's cool, isn't it? Synchronized and unsynchronized. So if you can't see it from that angle, you can only reveal it in time. So this is magnetically and electromagnetically stable. Well, to a certain degree. I lied. Whenever I put a different light source, it becomes unstable electromagnetically. But as far as gravity is concerned, it's fucking doing its job. Remember, we're trying to unify the theories here. I mean, I can't go all the way up to gamma. I can pretend like that's what's going on, but it's a trick of the light. Literally, that's how cameras work. But if you want to think of it this way, aside from this physical motion here that's spinning around and changing the light there, see that? Now, the second part of this that's strange is, yeah, it's true. Everything is made out of matter. Everything has a probability distribution to have decay, to have some type of quantum effect. If everything affects everything, then yeah, why not? But if it's a bouncing beam and I'm isolating things, then hopefully I just randomly get a fusion event. I mean, that's the funny thing about this is in the air there's water. In the water there's helium 3 getting created. Because when... Look, maybe lightning is nothing but a byproduct of, static electricity, yes, but also fusion. Because when you think about it, it's getting bombarded by a lot of cosmic radiation too. So no matter how you cut it, how we have helium on Earth, how we have access to helium-3 other than chemically reacting lithium. It was already here, wasn't it? It didn't just get here because it got created at the Big Bang. So there's a process, isn't there, that creates it still to this day. And maybe if we tap that instead, we're gonna have to be fighting over that bullshit. Maybe the pyramids were made to collect energy. Because it's made out of quartz, right?